Alright guys, the second AC unit going in now. One unit just for the master bedroom. This entire area here is the master. You see, I went with the steel ducts with the commercial grade. I want to thank Graham and his crew, my boy Roger, for making this possible. This side already insulated for 5-ton units. Closet there, closet here. Yeah, boy. See how Graham started, them boys started insulating, and they just stopped right there. Okay. These are all my data lines that going in right now in all the rooms. I still didn't finish that. I got up to here, half of the house. This is just data. My data lines had to go up on my return. It's a smart house, so this is gonna be actually the data room, the com room. Rack going on the wall, EMS, almost smart switches for lights, AC, so we're gonna be able to control AC temperature. And lights. It's gonna monitor how much kilowatts is actually gonna pull. This is my garage. This will be so far it's progress, guys. You know, when I'm feeling a little better, I will continue finish pulling this all these lines. I still have about 100 data lines to pull again with CCTV.